Dreams make us human. Have you ever wondered what makes this world a beautiful haven of happiness and hope? It is knowing that the world revolves on dreams and hope. Hope that one day your dreams and ours would come true. Let's immerse ourselves now into a world of IMPRINT. An imprint made on the many lives touched for over 117 years and counting. Our dear Chairman, Mr. Durgesh Chandavarkar, reaffirms the bank commits to advancing, growing its services and utilizing technology to improve customers' banking experience. We value our customers and strive to deliver personalized service always. But what is IMPRINT? You see, when an imprint is formed, it is a symbol of success for SVC Bank, for having delivered to the customer what they desired most, their happiness and pride of being truly independent. An imprint is formed when 7 elements combine. The I, to begin with, stands for individual customer focus. SVC Bank celebrates the diverse tapestry of individuality and identity among customers. Each account holder brings unique financial goals, aspirations and preferences, enriching the banking community. The bank is committed to serving every customer with personalized solutions tailored to their distinct needs. The focus remains on nurturing a strong bond between the bank and the customers, leading to a relationship that begins to transcend mere business transactions.
Namaskar. I am Rajendra Malushti here and I represent Market Movers India. We started this firm in the year 2002. And before that, I was working for about 22 years in senior management positions. So I am one of those few people who transformed from being a professional to an entrepreneur. Our bank, SVC, has played a major role in this transformation. In 2002, when we started our operations with a bank account in SVC Bank, Warsaw branch. In the first 6 months, we worked pretty hard to get our foundation going, and we were lucky to get some very good brands, but we needed a lot of funds. And the bank came to our rescue. Within 6 months of operations, we got cash credit facility from this bank. That first step of getting initial cash credit of rupees 50 lakhs turned our baby steps into huge big strides, and today we are one of the top 5 distributors in consumer electronics as well as home appliances. The bank has never given us a feeling that they are just a bank for us. We always got the feeling that we are a part of their family. As we walk into the Warsaw branch office, we see these filing spaces and the people coming forward to greet us. In the last 22 years, we went to the bank for various reasons, increasing cash credit facility, ad hoc facilities, and every time the bank gave us a considered help. It helped us grow to the level that we are today. The bank reminds me of the great statement of a great brand which says, nothing is impossible, or rather impossible is nothing. For SVC Bank, I would like to convert it to a saying, humse hai everything possible. Thank you.
And then we have our M from IMPRINT, maximum community engagement and inclusivity. SVC Bank is more than a financial institution. It is an integral part of the community. The bank, through its value for money product options and personalized service, strives to ensure every member feels heard, respected, and empowered to achieve their financial goals. And with that, we explore P in IMPRINT, standing for Personalized Service Approach. SVC Bank offers an array of unique financial products and tailored investment solutions after a careful study of its customers' life cycle course and progression. The bank strives to exceed expectations each time and aims to cherish a long-lasting relationship built on trust and reliability. And now, let us welcome another valued customer and hear all about his experience with SVC Bank.
Hi, my name is Ankit Vijay Shirali. I work in Morgan Stanley in Collateral Management Department. For me, the bank term was introduced by my dad when I was 8 years of old, and that is when I opened my saving bank account in Slater Road branch. Right now, my dream was to buy the house in Mumbai of my own, but due to the high property values, it was way too difficult for me to purchase it. Then my dad suggested me to take a loan from a bank, and to tell you about the loan process, it was so simple and it was so helpful. Like it didn't take me any stress or any headache to have the loan process completed by the bank. Each and every staff member was so cooperative that they used to call me if any required details at any time, and they used to visit my house to take the documents, and they were so flexible in the time that whenever I was available, they were available too. And this process was so easy that they helped me to accomplish my dream, and which also make my family proud when they came to know that I have purchased my house of my own. And I would really suggest that the slogan "Humse hai possible," that was way too good. Like it literally helped me that Humse hai possible to buy the house. I and my family wishes all together the SVC Bank for the future growth, and I would suggest each and everyone that if you want to accomplish your dreams, then just go to the SVC Bank.
And with this, we move on to the R in IMPRINT, robust emphasis on accountability. SVC Bank prioritizes accountability, fostering trust and integrity within the banking community. Every transaction is meticulously sketched and documented, ensuring transparency and compliance with regulatory standards. And as we move ahead, it is exciting to note what the second I in IMPRINT stands for: innovation and technological advancement. SVC Bank's goal is to streamline banking processes, making them more efficient and accessible for all customers. The bank empowers clients with seamless digital banking solutions, ensuring convenience, security, and efficiency in their financial endeavors. The bank, now equipped with Finacle, is well on its way to paving the path towards a digitally driven future. Let's listen to what another valued customer has to say.
मी ॲडव्होकेट पंकज कल्याणजी नेडिया, राहणार पुणे. माझे वडील 1972 मध्ये पुणे येथील एसव्हीसी बँकची फर्स्ट ब्रांच मध्ये त्यांनी मदत केली. त्यानंतर मी माझे अकाउंट म्हणजे 1979 पासून पुणेमध्ये सेव्हिंग बँक अकाउंट होल्डर आहे. माझी एफडी डिपॉझिट आहे, माझा लॉकर आहे. माझे फॅमिलीचे साधारण 9 अकाउंट एसव्हीसी बँक मध्ये आहे. एसव्हीसी बँकचे जे मॅनेजमेंट आहे, जे स्टाफ आहे, संपूर्ण त्यांची जे टीम वर्क आहे, त्याला मी धन्यवाद देतो. त्यांचं जे पारदर्शक काम आहे आणि बिझनेस कसा ग्रोथ व्हायचा त्याच्याबद्दल मला धन्यवाद आहे. आणि 1907 ते 2024 पर्यंत जे एसव्हीसीने जे बँकने जे ग्रोथ केली आहे त्याला मला अभिमान वाटतो की एसव्हीसी एक कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक असून त्यांनी जे काही ग्रोथ केलंय त्याच्याबद्दल मी संपूर्ण मॅनेजमेंट, त्यांचे मॅनेजरचे लेवल, त्यांचे संपूर्ण जे क्लर्क, जे ब्रांचमध्ये जे लोक काम करतात त्याला मी मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो. आणि एसव्हीसी बँक अशाच रीतीने ग्रोथ करावे हेच माझी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
In August 2023, SVC Bank migrated from its homegrown Genius core banking solution to one of the leading internationally acclaimed core banking solutions, Finacle Core Banking System. With this core banking upgrade, the bank is now geared up to integrate multiple payment and digital channels for customer delight in the coming months. In IMPRINT speaks of new ideologies founded on past learnings. SVC Bank holds its founder's vision and past learnings in highest regard. Established in the year 1906, the bank was founded for the benefit of the community, a vision that it continues to bring alive to this day. The bank prides itself on having its ears to the ground and also possessing a workforce that lives by the same sentiment, enabling them to nurture a close bond with their customers. And with the trust of our shareholders, affection of our customers, and companionship of employees, the bank rose to receive numerous awards, accolades, and recognitions. Starting with the prestigious Certificate of Appreciation. Shri Durgesh Chandavarkar, Chairman, received the certificate from Shri Amit Shah, Union Minister of Home Affairs and Cooperation, Government of India, in the esteemed presence of distinguished dignitaries including Shri B.L. Verma, Union Minister of State for Cooperation, Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad, Union Minister of State for Finance, Dr. Ashish Kumar Bhutani, Secretary of the Ministry of Cooperation, Shri Vivek Joshi, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Government of India, Shri Jyotindra Mehta, Chairman of NUCFDC, and Shri Lakshmi Das, Chairman of National Federation of Urban Cooperative Banks and Credit Societies. Honored as Urban Cooperative Bank of the Year at the India Banking Summit and Awards 2023 and 2024. Recognized as Outstanding Cyber Security Team in Cooperative Bank at the Cyber Frauds Investigations, Forensics and Security Conference 2023, CSI Mumbai Chapter. Recognized as Best Bank by Maharashtra State Sahakari Bank Association Limited for the year 2021-22. Awarded under Best Risk Management Initiative and Best Security Initiative, large UCB categories at the 17th Frontiers in Cooperative Banking Awards by Banking Frontiers. Awarded Best Chairperson of the Year, Mr. Durgesh Chandavarkar, Best Woman Leader of the Year, Ms. Ashwini Vinikar, and Best Cybersecurity Initiative of the Year, SVC Bank by Bharat Ratna Sahakarita Samman 2024 on May 22, 2024, Mumbai. SVC Bank was also featured in other segments of the media for its excellent service and brand legacy. The study, Benchmarking Reasonableness of Service Charges by Banks in India, authored by Dr. Ashish Das from the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, IITB, and commissioned by Money Life Foundation under a CSR initiative, was released by S.S. Mundra, former Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The study focused on commendable practices as well as areas of concern in the way Indian banks charge for their services. This study identified SVC Bank as one of the top banks in the top tier, that is, Category A, for its low service charges. LinkedIn's article, LinkedIn Top Companies 2024. The 15 workplaces in India to grow your career, lesser than 5,000 employees, published in April 2024. Showcased SVC Bank as one of the year's top 15 LinkedIn top companies in India with fewer than 5,000 employees. These recognitions stand testament to the legacy that SVC Bank is today. And we now arrive at the T in IMPRINT, trust as a core asset. SVC Bank views every transaction and interaction as an opportunity to fortify trust. Through rigorous protocols and cutting-edge technology, the bank upholds the highest standards of protection for its assets and personal information. Rest assured, SVC Bank continues to safeguard customers' financial well-being through its unwavering commitment. And now, to share their banking experience with us, we have another one of our valued customers.
My name is Mandakini Shah. I am representing to Suresh Hindu Lasers Private Limited. This company was started in 1990 by my father-in-law, late Dr. Suresh Shah and Indumati Shah. And this year is 34th year of our establishment. Out of this 34 years, our bank, SVC Cooperative Bank, is traveling with us since 18 years. Quite big journey. In 2006, we started our banking with Shamra Vittal Deccan Gymkhana branch with CC account of 25 lakh. and today it is 25 CR. So this travel between 25 lakh to 25 CR made SR possible to touch stars of the success. I really appreciate SVC management, SVC managers and the staff. Bank is 100% professional and at the same time it gives personal attention to each and every account. For me, my bank coordinated team is not less than a friend or family for me. So I am very much thank you to the bank. We wish lot of success and growth for our bank in coming years. Thank you so much.
To serve our dear customers better, the bank introduced new products and services in the financial year 2023-24. Two current account variants were launched in December 23. Classic current account with an average quarterly balance of 5,000 and Business Edge current account with an average quarterly balance of 10,000 rupees. SVC Classic Plus savings account with an average quarterly balance of 10,000 rupees was launched in February 2024. Getty Pay QR code and Soundbox facility was launched in October 2023. Consisting of UPI QR code and Soundbox and coupled with mobile app and web interface, SVC QR Plus was developed as an important enabler of growth in current and savings accounts. Tap and Pay facility on debit cards was launched to provide more value and added advantage to customers. With this feature, a customer can pay for a transaction of up to Rs 5,000 without having to input their debit card PIN. UPI Lite was introduced soon after with a wallet limit of Rs 2,000 and per transaction limit of Rs 500. AutoPay on UPI was launched to empower customers to pay their bills on time, every time, through the use of standing instructions. There is so much that goes into creating a positive imprint. We are proud of who we are and who we will evolve to be with your trust and affection. We have a dear customer here to share his valuable experience.
I am Jayesh Tarani, Director with Opco Travels Private Limited. I have been dealing with SVC or Shamrao Vittal Bank from last more than 30 years. My saving, my current, my OD, even my home loan when I brought my house was from Shamrao Vittal. One thing I love about this bank is the personal touch. Every person in that office always is ready to help you. I remember the old days when everything was physical, we had to send the check across. Sometimes we used to get late, but they would always accommodate you. This is what I love about this bank, and I wish them all the best for growing further and further. Thank you.
As a bank that is 117 years rich and counting, we are happy to share that SVC Bank Santa Cruz West branch turned 100 years old on 1st December 2023. Embodying resilience and growth, SVC Bank bears the imprint of its steadfast commitment to financial excellence. With a focus on innovation, market adaptability, and customer centricity, the bank showcases its journey towards sustainable banking practices. Through robust risk management and strategic investments, the bank has left an indelible imprint also on the financial landscape and will continue to do so for years to come. Happy to share a wonderful experience shared by our dear customer.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnav Siddharth Shinde. Do you know how I got to know about banking at age of 9? Because that's exactly how old I am. When I insist to buy plastic toys, I always used to say, save money today, money will save you in the future. At the same time, Baba used to say, "Aga घेऊन जात्याला एकदा बँकेत." One day, she took me to SVC Bank Bhanduk branch, and I remember Madhuri Didi. She asked me how much money I had and how I wanted to save. I felt empowered that day. She was amazing. She made me understand the benefits of savings, and now I have 12,000 rupees in savings, and I will use them when I am in college. So excited. हमसे है possible.
With Imprint, the bank celebrates the many customers, both present and potential, for choosing SVC Bank to be a part of their desires, ambitions, and most importantly, their family. We leave behind an imprint on you this day with a promise from our Vice Chairman, Mr. Arun Mavin Gurve. We are committed to leveraging innovative solutions to enhance our offerings and elevate customer experience. Because where there's a positive experience, there a positive, vibrant and memorable imprint is formed. SVC Bank, humse hai possible.